Hello friends, my name is Radha. Today we'll discuss about a topic define activities. Friend, this is a very important topic or concept in project management, and today with respect to PMI or project management body of knowledge PMBOK, we will see that what is define activities. Friend, I will try my level best to explain the concept of defined activities in a very easy to understand manner so that everyone can understand the concept of defined activities and he or she can utilize this concept in his professional life, or if you are studying the project management in university, so that it can be very helpful for you to give an exam of project management. And also friend, if you are planning to give an exam of PMP, it is this video can be very helpful for you to understand the concept of defined activities. Friend, this is a very important concept, and let me tell you that around 4 to 5 questions directly related to activities you will definitely see in the exam, or more than that, so you can understand the importance of this topic. Define activities. So this is very important to understand the concept of defined activities if you want to clear the exam of PMP, and also if you are a professional and implementing different projects of software or any other construction project. So this is very important to understand the concept of defined activities so that you can utilize the concept of defined activities in your professional life. Why I am making this video, I want to make a very simple video so that everyone can understand the concept of defined activities of project management in a very simple, in a very easy to understand language, so that everyone can understand it, and he or she can utilize the concept of defined activities in his life. Either he is a student, either he is a professional and implementing a project. So friend, first of all I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Define activities. Friend, just see this thing, activity. If I will ask from you that what do you understand from activity means something, to do something in a general manner, in a simple manner, to do something, to some perform some task. So in a simple manner, it is called, in a general manner it is called as activity. With respect to the project management definition, activity in project management is defined as the amount of work performed that converts input to appropriate output. This is called an activity. Defined activities refer to the process of identifying as well as documenting actions that need to be implemented and performed in order to produce the deliverables of the project. The benefit of this process are its breakdown big work packages into smaller activities to so that the project manager can estimate, schedule, execute, monitor and control the project work. Are you with me? Friend, for example, let me tell you, for example, you are implementing a very big project. For example, you are implementing a e-commerce solution for a customer. So in this solution, what you have to do, you have first of all you have to make a work breakdown or structure, or WBS, in which WBS basically the concept of divide and rule, in which we divide the work into chunks until unless we reach some point at which we can estimate the task in terms of time, cost, schedule. So this is called the concept of work breakdown or structure, and the level at which we reach, at which we can estimate a task, this is called the activity. And this level can be estimated in terms of cost, schedule, and also we can control it, we can identify any risk any risk pertaining to it, etc. So activity means some task at which we can do some estimations in terms of time, schedule and cost, and also we can control that activity. Are you with me? For example, let me tell you that if you are implementing e-commerce solution, so what could be the activity in this case? The activity means the development of a task that customer can do the payment through debit card. This is an activity. This is an activity. Also, a customer can add and can browse the products at e-commerce solution. This is also an activity. Customer can add a product in wish list. This is also an activity. So friend, define activities means that, let in a simple way just try to understand that define activities means that you are defining the activities which you have to do in order to complete the project. And activity is a level at which you can estimate the task in terms of time, schedule and cost, and also you can control the activity. This is called the concept of define activities. Define activities means that this is a concept at which it can comes under the work package. What you will do, first of all you decide the WBS, work breakdown structure, in which you decide that this is the work breakdown structure. Then you divide the work further and you came at work package, and in the work package you define the activities. This is called the concept of define activities. So define activities is very important to complete a project. Let me show you a very simple example of work breakdown structure. So friends, see, this is a work breakdown structure. Building a house. Friend, building a house is your, for example, your project that you want to build a house. Then next is the work package is project management, foundation, building structure, interiors, landscaping. So all these things you have to do if you want to build a house. Are you with me? If you want to, this is an example of work breakdown structure. If you want to build a house, this is the main level. What you will do if you want to build a house, you need project management, you need foundation of house, building structure, interior, landscaping. And then in the project management, what are the activities? You have to do the planning, scope of work definition, resource planning and plan materials in the project management. So these are the activities, friend. Try to understand, these are the activities. Foundation, in foundation what you will do, you have to draw a blueprint, dig earth, get material, labor, lay foundation. In the building structure, get material, construct walls, finish plumbing, finish electrical cable work. In the interior you have to design interiors, decide furniture, decide light fixtures, procure furniture, procure light, AC and fans. In the landscaping you have to do design private public areas, lay walkways, set up lawns, plant saplings. So you have to do, these are the activities. For friend, just try to understand, this is a work breakdown structure. You have to build a house. These are the work packages like project management, foundation, building services, interior, landscaping. And in the work package, these are the activities. What are the activities? For example, you have to do the planning. So you can activate, so you have defined all the activities here under the work packages which you have to do in case you want to build a house. So for example, this is the activity of planning. So how much time you need to do the planning? For example, you need, let's suppose you need 2 weeks to do the planning, 2 weeks to define the scope of work, 1 week for resource planning, and 2 weeks for plan materials. And what is the cost required for this activity? What is the cost required for this activity? What is the total cost during the resource planning? What is the total cost for resource plan materials? So friend, just see, we are seeing right now the work breakdown structure. These are the work packages and these are the activities. These are the activities: PM plan, scope of work, plan resources. So here try to understand, when we define the activities under the work package, so it will become for very easy for us to see the activities under one umbrella. First of all, Also it becomes very easy for us to estimate the activity in terms of schedule, cost, and what is the time required to complete this activity, which resource will work on that, how much cost is required, how much time is required. So we can do the activity, we can estimate the activity here. Also we can plan the activity properly, we can control the activity properly. So friend, see, these are the building house is the WBS. These project management foundation, these are the work packages, and under the work packages these are the activities here. And defined activities become help us to estimate our task, estimate the activity in terms of schedule, cost, and also it becomes easier to control the activity. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and also please subscribe to my channel. And thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.